I'm Janie Weston, and with me I have Kevin Getker, and we're from the Greater Lakes Association of Realtors, and we're here today to talk to you about the housing market. Kevin, so how is the housing market?
Each market is different. Real estate is local, and so when people ask, how's the market, it depends on if you're talking about the lot market, residential market, lakeshore market, commercial market. Realtors every day are looking at houses and they know the market, but a better question is more specifically, what market are you talking about?
Well, what markets do you cover?
The Greater Lakes Association of Realtors actually covers 7 different counties throughout the Brainerd Lakes area. Not only do we cover Brainerd, Crow Wing County, Cass County, we cover Hubbard and Todd County, Morrison, Aiken, Mille Lacs. So we cover quite a variety of areas, and within each one of those counties, there's different markets because there's different cities in different areas.
Well, why not tell us about the Brainerd market?
Okay, an example, if we were to just look at homes in the Brainerd market that were not waterfront properties, not foreclosure properties, single family homes that were not new construction. So kind of your basic normal home that's selling within the Brainerd market, we could say, okay, what's happening in the market? And we want to know what's supply and demand doing. And so the first thing that we look at is how many homes have sold in the last year. And based on the North Star MLS statistics, there have been 340 residential homes that have sold within the last year prior to today, which is March 8th of 2018. That's actually up from 304 2 years ago. And then we want to look at how many homes are currently on the market. And right now there's 82 in that same category, whereas 2 years ago there was 126.
Well, that has to make a difference. So is this a seller's market or is it a buyer's market?
That's a very good question. So what those numbers tell us is based on supply and demand, there's a lot more homes selling and there's a lot less homes available. That tells us that it is a seller's market. And we're actually at 2.9 months of inventory. If nothing else changed, within 3 months, there'd be nothing left in Brainerd to sell.
So what if I had a home in Brainerd and I wanted to sell it now? Or should I sell it now or should I wait?
Well, right now it is much more conducive for a seller than for a buyer. Of course, if the home is priced right. So normally the absorption rate or months of supply, if we have 6 months of inventory, then it's a stable market. Anything less than that is a seller's market. So at 2.9 months of inventory, it's very conducive for a seller to get highest and best price right now, whereas buyers would most likely have to fight over inventory to get what they want. Again, the house still has to be properly priced.
So how do I get get my house to be properly priced?
Well, as I mentioned before, real estate agents every day are looking at homes, they're showing homes to buyers, they're doing market analysis on homes, and so they know the market. So by contacting a local realtor, they can find out exactly what is happening for your particular property and what is going on. Yes, as an example, home values have gone up on average right now in Brainerd. They're about $157,000, whereas 2 years ago they were about $147,000. So yes, we've seen an increase, but that doesn't mean sellers can get way more than they're worth.
With this being a seller's market, what else is there that would increase my value?
Well, so you've got obviously with a seller's market, you've got an increase in value, but another factor that's affected is how many days on the market. Again, using that same criteria, right now average days on the market is about 69, whereas 2 years ago it was 99 days on the market. So homes are selling faster and for more money, and there's less inventory out there. So again, if people are thinking of selling, now would be the time. The other part of that is that with homes selling faster and for more money, homes that sell within the first 30 days actually get closer to full price, and each successive 30 days after that, they get less and less and less.
So we have realtors in Aiken, Cass, Crow Wing, Hubbard, Morrison, Mille Lacs, and Todd counties. And if you need to find a realtor, go to GreaterLakesRealtors.com, find a realtor, and you'll be on your way.
Thank you.
Thank you.